Hello everybody, today's video is a little bonus video to announce the winners of the contest that I was running. And the theme of my competition was something that makes you happy, and it could be 3D, flat, whatever you wanted to do. And the three winners are on this little post-it note. And the first place winner, I am so sorry if I butcher anybody's name, is Grishma Soni. And so she did an incredible work of 4D art that was, I thought, very impressive. She didn't just choose one thing that makes her happy. She is kind of like me, and there's a lot of things out there that can really put a smile on your face, and she decided to choose all of them. So I thought hers was very well done, nice details, so on and so forth. The second place winner is Ashley Wren, and she did a mural based on a show that she watched with her grandmother. And the third place winner is Emerald Fairy Princess, and she did Under the Water Dragons, which if you guys come back tomorrow to see my next NTNA entry, you'll see that I also love anything that's under the sea. So I hope you guys can get back to me soon with your names and your addresses so that I can get your prizes shipped out to you. Honestly, I don't know for sure when that'll happen with the whole staying inside the house thing, but I will get it as soon as I can. And I also want to say that of the entries I put on Instagram, there were 8 entries. Every single one got votes. Everyone did amazing. It was actually a pretty impressive turnout, I thought. You never know when you start these things how many entries you're going to get. So I was so overwhelmed by all of you and all of the votes that were on Instagram. There was probably about 300 to 400, which is, I expected maybe a dozen votes, and I was just, it was incredible. So thank you to all of you who voted, all of you that entered. If anyone's curious and wants to know notes on their entries, if you want to send me a question, I'd be happy to give you critiques or whatever you want. Happy to do it. So thank you for watching, and congrats to the winners. Bye.